Hello students, today we are going to start standard 7th subject maths. Practice set 25. This chapter last practice set. Question: simplify the following expressions. 50 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 plus 24. Now in this first we will solve this 50 multiplied by 5, this will give you 250, and divide 2 and plus 22 as it 24 as it is. Now we will divide this and check. 250 divided by 2, you can check in your rough work student. So you will get 125 plus 24 as it is, you have written it. Now we will solve this. 125 plus 24, you will get 149. So this is very easy. So one by one you have to solve it and write it down. Now see the second one the same way. 13 into 4 divided by 2 minus 26. So first we will solve 13 multiplied by 4. This will give you 52. Divided by 2 and minus 26 as it is, I have written it. Now 52 divided by 2, this will give you 26 and minus 26 as it is. Now this 26 minus 26, you will get 0. Same way the third one, 140 divided by minus 11 multiplied by minus 3 minus 42 divided by 14 minus 1. So this 140 as it is I will read and divide sign. First I will solve this. 11 multiplied by 3, this will give you 33. This minus will get cancelled, like minus plus. So 33 it becomes. Plus, why I have written plus? Because minus will give you plus. So that's why I have written plus. And 42 divided by 14 minus 1 as it is, I have written it. Now again I will write this 140 as it is, divided sign, and this 33 also as it is. Now I will solve this. 42 divided by 15. You can divide and check students. You will get 3 and minus 1 as it is. 140 divided by 33 plus 3, you will get 36. Minus 1 as it is. Now again I will solve this. 36 minus 1, you will get 35. Now you will divide and check, you will get 4 answer. So in this way you have to see the third sum. Now see the fourth one. 220 minus 140 plus 10 multiplied by 9 plus bracket minus 2 into 5 and minus 100. So now in this we will multiply this first. 220 minus 140, here I have written the answer, that is 80, and plus sign as it is. 10 nines are 90 and plus minus, so minus sign as it is here. 2 5s are 10 and minus 100 here. Now 80 I will write as it is, plus sign. 90 minus 10, this will give you 80 and minus 100. 80 plus 80 will give you 160 minus 100. Now this 160 minus 100, this will become 60. So this way you have to see the fourth one. Now we will see the fifth sum, that is the last sum of this practice set and this chapter also. 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 divided by 6 upon 4. As you can see in this sum they have given you in the rational number form. So here 3 upon 5 as it is I will write, plus first we will solve this students. So what you do, that for divide we have already seen in the previous practice set. So 3 upon 8, this divide will become multiply, and this 4 upon 6. So as it is again I have written here. In front only we will multiply. 3 4s are and 8 6s are, as you can see here. Now I have cancelled it here. 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6, and 4 1s are, 4 2s are 8. So what we get? 1 1s are, 2 2s are. So here I have written it. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4. Now we will do the cross multiplication of this. Like 3 4s are, 1 5s are, and 5 4s are. So what you will get? 3 4s are 12 plus 1 5s are 5 and 5 4s are 20. Now 12 plus 5, this will give you 17 and 20 as it is. Now 17 upon 20, this doesn't go with one table. So we stop here, 17 upon 20. So here we complete the chapter students. Thank you students.